Paano sa dagat lang, napakasarap. Freshly grilled squid. Sinugba na nukos. And this is how you make it. Magluluto tayo ng pusit. Inihaw na pusit or sinugba na nukos. What we are doing now is we are preparing the stuffing for our squid. Napakalaki ng squid natin. More than half a kilo yan. And I will show you what is the best way to cook it. Yan. May technique tayo dyan na medyo kakaiba. Medyo malaki yung ating pusit, kaya medyo dadamihan din natin yung ating stuffing. Onions. And alam mo, things like this, mga recipes like this, kahit sobrang simple lang, ito yung mga hinahanap-hanap natin to balance of the more complex and more rich flavors. So ito, sinugba, works well with a lot of stuff. So ito, simple grilling lang itong gagawin natin. Pero, we will make it as flavorful as possible and we will try to cook it perfectly. And I will show you my technique, no, so that we can achieve that perfect cook na pati sa loob luto pero hindi siya overcook sa labas. So ito, just onions, and I'm adding now tomatoes. Then we're adding white onion. And we're just chopping some leeks para pang pabango. And if you want it to be a bit spicy, let's just add siling pangsigang. And to give our stuffing that extra umami, we are using Maggi Magic Sarap. Bit of Maggi, mix everything, and black pepper. So we will let that rest for a moment, and we will prepare our squid. So this is the way I prepare squid to make sure na yung loob niya luto siya even when you're grilling. So kung matagal siya sa grill kasi, nanunuyot yung squid and it becomes overcooked, which you don't want to happen. Ayaw mo din naman na luto yung labas pero yung loob niya ay hilaw. So this is what I do. I heat up a pot with water and I will blanch the squid. Maganda to gawin dahil it keeps and arrests the freshness of the squid. For example, ginawa mo siya ngayon, blanch mo, kahit tomorrow mo pa siya i-grill, it's still fresh. Pero pag naiwan mo siya at nawawala na yung freshness, hindi mo na mababalik yun. So what you do is you just blanch it like that in salted water. You don't want it to boil, ha? Para pumasok yung init sa loob ng ating squid, no, the cavity. We want that to cook a little, blanch, ha? Hindi siya boil, ha? So let that cook for a minute. Kasi ang heat ng griller, hindi makapasok sa cavity ng ating squid. It stays fresh. So protect mo yung freshness, oh, diba? Pumasok yung hot water sa loob. Now, it's done. Konti lang, ha. Hindi siya overcooked, ha. Yan. So, you just want to heat up the inside of the squid. Yan. Put it here. And now, we will make our marinade. Very simple combination of toyo and calamansi, or you can use Maggi Sabor. So, which we are using, calamansi and toyo, or just the calamansi flavored Maggi Sabor. And we will just add the remaining Maggi Magic Sarap. Rub it there. And now, it's time to stuff our squid. So you can marinate this for a few minutes. So very quick na lang yung grilling nito. Hindi ka na natatakot na hilawan ka sa loob. Lalo na pag ganito kalaki yung inyong squid. So binusog talaga natin yung ating pusit. Oh. So all the aromatics will begin to flavor our squid from the inside. Busog na busog yung ating pusit. And to secure the head and the stuffing, meron tayong barbecue stick which we will just... So we just have to pierce through our squid para hindi siya kumalas. Cut the edges. If you still haven't subscribed to the Simple.ph YouTube channel, you should do it now. And we just let this marinate for a few minutes and it's time to grill. Na-marinate na yung ating pusit. Now, we have to grill it. Yan, no? Gentle cooking. Yan. So, babantayan mo lang talaga yung pusit mo na hindi liliyab yung ating apoy so it cooks evenly. Yan, no? So, mabilis lang to. Don't overcook your squid. But we want to do this ganito para magkaroon naman siya ng smoky flavor, no? Yan. So, in a little while, babalik rin na natin yung ating squid and in a few minutes, maluluto na siya kaagad. At ito, masarap talaga to pag may kasamang kumain, di ba? Mag-ihaw-ihaw kayo. But don't cook it yourself. Ask other people to help you. Kasi masaya yan, di ba? Barbecue party, ihaw-ihaw party, or sinugba party, perfect to. So you not only have like seafood, you can have chicken, you can have meat, and whatever. Basta kasama lahat, maging masarap yung ating salo-salo. I'm sweating, smoky, and savory. Ako naging savory, hindi naman. Pero, look at that. Maluluto na tong ating pusit. Then we need a clean plate. And you will only score it. Hiwa-hiwaan natin siya pag naluto na to serve. Yan, no? Bantayan mo natin yung ating tentacles na hindi siya mapupunta dito sa uling para hindi masunog kasi sayang, masarap yan. Yan, malapit na maluto yung ating pusit. Just a little bit of annatto oil for color. Optional to, or you can also use the marinade to baste your squid. Ito na, luto na yung ating sinugba na nukos at kakain na tayo. Bilis! This is it, pusit. Look at that. Beautifully cooked squid. Nukos. Remove our barbecue stick. And now, we will just score, no? Para pag-serve natin. Para madali siyang kainin, we will score. Yan, no? Perfectly cooked siya. Hindi siya overcooked, no? Yan, no? Nakita mo. And our last slice. Busog na busog yung ating pusit. And here it goes. And this is it. Pusit. Beautiful. Eto, kakain na tayo ng pusit. Masarap kaya to. Diba? Who doesn't love squid? Toyo. Let me bite. Ito yung squid kasi. Simple lang yung timpla. What really matters is the cooking. Diba? Kaya hindi maganda yung luto mo, wala magiging makunat at hindi maging pleasurable yung kain mo. This one's very nice. At malasa. Fresh na fresh kasi itong ating pusit today. Paubos na itong pusit to. Simple marinade, cooked perfectly, and this is it. Sinugba na nukos. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.